Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you all are safe. Thank you for the continued support. Tonight's video is going to be a video number 3, Undead Beard King series. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you guys are safe, getting through this whole COVID thing. I know it's a drag for everybody. Hopefully this will all be over soon. Not looking too good, but wishful thinking, you know. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you watch the video and you like it, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. Tonight we're going to be doing video number 3 on the Undead Beard King series. I'm going to try to do these series videos a little quicker. I know I like to get to talking and explaining stuff about the company, the ingredients and stuff, and you know, my opinions and whatnot. I'm going to try to just get the facts in, tell you what my opinion is, if I like it, if I recommend it, blah blah blah. But anyway, little backstory real quick. The Undead Beard King is out of Las Vegas. The owner's name is Mr. Unknown. He has a passion for horror films, horror icons. He has a passion for creating scents, cologne scents, to be exact. He does this on the side. He does not look to make millions off, side beard company or anything like that. He just does this as a hobby, which I thought was completely awesome. And he made these scents, with in mind what. We'll use Jason Voorhees since the scent we're doing tonight. Jason Voorhees. What would he have in beard, or what would he smell like if he had a beard? You know what I mean? It's kind of that. It's a different way to. It's a different perspective to see it, and I think it's awesome. It's different. It's original, and the products are absolutely amazing. I'll show you the business card as always. Love the logo. Pretty neat. And the cool part is all the scents are on the back of the business card. I hope you guys can see that. There we go. And tonight's scents we're going to go over is called The Lake and Halloween. My thoughts and opinions on these before we start. Absolutely highly recommend this company. They're they're my absolute favorite beard products to use, just because of the feel and beard. They're organic. The butters are absolutely amazing. They're buttery soft, buttery smooth. In beard feel is absolutely fantastic. The scents last for days. Pretty much that's what it seems like. The scents are cologne type scents, and on any particular scent, like I said, they're on point with that particular cologne that it's after. So the first one we'll go over is called The Lake. And what would Jason have in beard if he had a beard? And the lake is like, we'll follow up on the card, remember? The lake is Versace Eros Sandalwood Vanilla. And me being a Sandalwood Vanilla guy, just gets that firm cologne scent, that Versace. It's a nice manly scent. This particular one lasts several hours. You see it's a nice clear consistency, nice super thick consistency. In beard, if you wanted to use this oil to style your beard, that's possible with this oil. It's because of the consistency of it. If you were to use the oil and the butter, you'd only need just a small dab of the oil and a small dab of the butter to work perfectly well in beard. Just the way they make my beard feel, super soft, smells super good. Just everything about these products is just I love everything about them. And I'm not getting paid to do these reviews. I volunteered to do these reviews. I'm not getting paid anything. These are my personal opinions of these products, and I really firmly believe that these are the best products I've used. And I'm not saying by all means that the other products I've ever reviewed aren't as good. Every product I've reviewed, most of the products I've reviewed rather, works pretty damn good in beard. But feel-wise in beard, I feel with my experience with these particular products, I feel they worked best in my beard. And of course, the Lake butter. And the butter is super smooth, super fluffy. It's a whipped butter. And as you can see, you barely put any pressure on that, and it just goes away. You get a big dab out of there, put that cap back on. And there's the butter. Usually you can see it just kind of running down my hand, but I didn't put a big enough piece. Rub it a couple times, and it's gone. Oh man, you can smell that sandalwood and vanilla on the back end of this. It's really, really good. Rub the excess on your tattoos and your arms. And the good thing about these two, the oil, it absorbs into your skin really fast and really quick, and it smells phenomenal. The next one we're going to go over is Halloween, and that's his version of Gucci Guilty. Such badass labels. I really, really like these labels. And all the ingredients are on the back. And this scent, like again, it's all cologne type scent. This is probably the most subtle cologne I've smelled. It's got a nice punch to it, but it's real subtle. It's real aromatic. It just smells really good. If you had this on in a room, people's gonna smell you, but it's not headache strong. Nice thick consistency. Again, that was Halloween. Very awesome products. And real quick, the butter. Again, same consistency. I've used this a couple of times. And guys, the price of these products are pretty awesome too. I know I've used awesome in this video several times. That's just my personal opinion of these products. The price is on point for these quality of products, I believe. I'll leave everything in the description box below. If you like smelling good, if you like products that work great, and even better if you like products that are not going to break your wallet, the Undead Beard King. You guys see the prices, you're gonna understand why I'm stressing the price point is just absolutely crazy for these quality of products. Everything will be in the description below. I want to say thank you to Mr. Unknown. It's been an absolute awesome ride. I thank you for sending these products for review. Thank you guys for watching the series. There's plenty more coming up, so stay tuned for that. Guys, if you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I got plenty of content coming up. Until the next video, guys, peace.